Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. Today I am going to tell you about the daily habits of successful people. Guys, I believe that success does not come easily to anyone. We have to make certain lifestyle changes and develop some habits in order to be successful in life. So let's not waste any time and have a look at the daily habits of successful people. So, the first habit that I suggest you is waking up early. You won't realize that waking up early does wonders to your body as well as your mind. You would be able to stay refreshed all the day and pay more attention to your work and studies. So, this is the top habit of successful people. Habit number 2 is exercising. You all must know that there are countless benefits of exercising and doing workouts. It keeps you fit and also prevents unnecessary stress or depressing feelings. So I also suggest you to plan out a workout regime or do light exercise daily. Habit number 3 is to eat more and more fruits and vegetables. So I know that most of us are junk food addicts and we ignore the harmful effects that our favorite food items have on our body. Veggies and fruits are not only juicy and tasty, they also provide the body with necessary vitamins and minerals. Therefore, make sure that you include them in your breakfast, lunch as well as dinner to keep healthy. Fourth habit is to drink more water. Our body needs water to help regulate its temperature and maintain other bodily functions. It's important to rehydrate by drinking fluids and eating foods that contain water. Not only does it keep you healthy, but it also boosts your skin health. It can also help in weight loss too. Fifth habit is to read more books and sharpen your brain. Not only does it improve your vocabulary but also boosts your creativity and imagination. So far, I must have read about 15 to 20 novels apart from my course books, and it has helped me in improving my spoken English skills a lot. So I suggest you to do the same. The sixth habit of successful people is meditation. There are numerous benefits of daily meditation, like it reduces stress, controls anxiety, promotes emotional health, and also enhances self-awareness. And a bonus benefit for students like us is that it helps in increasing memory and attention span. Therefore, I also ask you to meditate daily for at least 10 minutes. Habit number 7 is to follow your passion, that is, what you love doing. It enhances your self-confidence and can also result in professional growth and career success. So if you love doing something, what are you waiting for? Go for it and try your best. The eighth habit of successful people is that they maintain a personal diary or a journal. It is a really good habit. By writing in your diary, you take out time for yourself on a daily basis and address your feelings. This makes you feel better in so many ways. That's the reason why I also maintain a personal diary whom I call Leanne. Hence, I, as your friend, recommend you to maintain a personal diary as well. So friends, here we end our today's session. So guys, if you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and also comment in the section below to let me know what you think about it and also give me some suggestions for my next videos. Bye guys, see you the next time.